This is a dream come true. Who would have thought this day would be possible? My passion for storytelling started when I was a kid. I didn't have cameras, I didn't have actors, I didn't even have a film crew, but I had imagination. When food was taking forever to get ready, I would create my own worlds. The good guy versus the bad guy. Back then, we called the villain the boss and the hero the actor. I used to tell myself, one day I will make films of my own. Stories the world will see. But making films takes more than passion. It takes money, equipment, a team, resources, and sometimes those barriers can make the dream feel impossible. But creators have always found new ways to tell stories. And today, artificial intelligence is opening doors that never existed before. I can create films, music videos, commercials, and any content of my choice using AI-powered tools. I can develop ideas faster, create visuals faster, bring stories to life from my living room, just like I did when I was a kid. The tools have changed. The imagination hasn't. Technology will continue to evolve, but great storytelling will always come from the human heart, and your story could be next. This is your opportunity to learn the tools shaping the future of content creation. Join us at Create with AI and discover how to turn your ideas into films, music videos, commercials, and any creative projects using only AI tools. Don't miss this opportunity to bring your stories to life. Comment AI and I will send you the link to get your tickets.